Hello friends, this is Nitin Kumar. Like and share my videos. Subscribe to my channel, Complete Careers. Let's begin. Global Family Day is observed on 1st January every year. World Braille Day on 4th January. Braille is a tactile writing system used by people who are visually impaired or blind. Braille is named after its creator, Louis Braille, in the year 1824, a Frenchman who lost his sight as a result of a childhood accident. So there happened a tragedy in the life of Louis Braille. Then after he made a script called Braille. It is very useful to the people who are blind. And the Braille script has the direction from left to right with a non-linear alphabet. These characters have rectangular blocks called cells that have tiny bumps called raised dots. National NRI Day, Pravasi Bharatiya Divas, on 9th January, observed every year to mark the contribution of the overseas Indian community towards the development of India. The day commemorates the return of Mahatma Gandhi from South Africa to India on 9th January 1915. So it is observed by Ministry of External Affairs, celebrated for the very first time in 2003. From 2003 onwards, we are celebrating National NRI Day on every year on 9th January. World Hindi Day, 10th January, to promote the Hindi language all over the world. In 2006, it was first celebrated to commemorate the anniversary of the first World Hindi Conference, which was held on 10th January 1975. World Hindi Day is different from Hindi Divas, which is celebrated on 14th September every year. National Youth Day on 12th January. National Youth Day is celebrated every year on 12th January to commemorate the birth anniversary of Indian monk Swami Vivekananda. He born on 12th January 1863. In 1984, the Government of India declared this day as National Youth Day, and since from 1985 onwards, the event is celebrated in India every year. In 2021, we are going to celebrate 158th birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda. National Army Day on 15th January in recognition of Field Marshal Kodendera M. Cariappas taking over as first Commander-in-Chief of Indian Army from General Francis Bircher, the last British Commander-in-Chief, on 15th January 1949. So in 1949, on 15th January, Kodendera M. Cariappa became the first Commander-in-Chief of Indian Army. On this day, gallantry awards and Sena medals are also awarded. In 2020, Tania Shedgil became the first female officer to command an army parade. The National Girl Child Day on 24th January. Celebrated every year on 24th January, it was started by the Ministry of Women and Child Development and the Government of India in 2008. The day is celebrated by organizing various programs including awareness campaigns on Save the Girl Child and creating a healthy and safe environment for a girl child. National Voters Day, 25th January, to encourage young voters to participate in political process. It has been started from January 26, 2011 to mark the Election Commission's Foundation Day. It was celebrated on 25th January 2012 for the first time. National Republic Day 26th January. Republic Day is a national holiday in India. It honors the date on which the Constitution of India came into effect on 26th January 1950, replacing the Government of India Act 1935 as the governing document of India, and thus turning the Constitution was adopted by the Indian Constituent Assembly on 26th November 1949 and came into effect on 26th January 1950 with a democratic government system, completing the country's transition towards becoming an independent republic nation into a newly formed republic. National Martyrs Day on 30th January. In India, there are 6 days declared as Martyrs Day. At national level, also known as Sarvodaya Day, they are named in honor of those who are recognized as martyrs for the nation. 30th January is the date observed in the national level. The date was chosen as it marks the assassination of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi in 1948 by Nathuram Godse. Thanks for listening.